it is not like our hair is not growing. What happens is that when new growths come on, the tips of your hair are the most oldest, so they become weak and are prone to breaking. Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's your girl here, EcoJen, and on this channel I bring to you lifestyle, DIY and motherhood content. So if you like videos like this, please do consider subscribing. Turn on your post notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Please, let's interact. If you have a particular video you want me to bring to you, please leave that in the comment section and I will get to it. So in today's video, we'll be discussing tips on how to grow your hair and maintain that hair length that you have achieved, because so many times it is not like our hair is not growing. What happens is that when new growths come on, the tips of your hair are the most oldest, so they become weak and are prone to break. But once you know how to take care of that hair and you are treating it in the right way, your tips become stronger and you retain your hair length. So let's see the tips of how to grow our hair and how we can maintain those hair growths. So the first on our list would be, before you do anything, please moisturize your hair. If you don't want to moisturize the hair and you feel that that is like a waste of product for you because you want to wash your hair, you can just use water. Just use water to moisturize the hair. Then you finger detangle your hair. Once you finger detangle your hair, there are no longer tangles in the hair. Your comb now becomes very easy to glide through your hair. And please make sure it's a wide tooth comb. If you do this, it's going to prevent your hair from breaking. And also try to put your hair in a section when you are detangling your hair. That way it's easier for you to detangle them. So before you shampoo your hair, try to detangle your hair outside using water as a basis for moisture. Don't soak your hair, just spray a little bit of water. Let it just be damp, not wet. We don't want, because once your hair is extremely wet, it is very fragile at that stage, and then it snaps easily as well. So just let the hair be a little bit damp so that your comb can glide through the hair much more easily. So another tips we're going to discuss would be the use of hair masks. Yes, I cannot overemphasize on the use of hair masks. Develop a routine whereby you use hair masks at least twice in a month. If you cannot use your hair mask regularly every week, then try at least twice in a month. This is because hair masks are super conditioners, unlike your regular conditioners that you use on wash days. Those helps your hair to look nice on the outside, making it smooth and soft, while hair masks on the other hand penetrate deep inside your hair. It adds moisture into your hair, making the hair really strong and healthy. That is the use of hair masks. Hair masks penetrates into your hair, while regular conditioners just helps your hair to be shiny, to look nice and smooth and manageable. So try to incorporate hair masks into your hair to add in hydration and moisture into your hair itself. So if you do that, it will prevent your hair from breaking and retain those growths that you have achieved. Your hair would also thank you for that, because it's now strengthening the weakest part of your hair, which is the tips of your hair. So adding a hair mask to your routine, it's a very great help to helping your hair health journey. So please don't neglect hair masks, at least twice in a month. If you cannot do it every week, twice in a month it's enough. At least it will go a long way to protect the integrity of your hair. The third point we are going to be seeing would be the use of leave-in conditioners. I cannot overemphasize on you using a leave-in conditioner, because after you finish washing your hair and you use a regular conditioner or a hair mask on your hair, you see that your hair feels very soft and it's much easier for the comb to glide in. Your hair is shiny and easy to manage. But you're going to rinse off that hair mask or the conditioner. So in order to keep your hair hydrated and form a barrier around the strands of your hair to keep it healthy and shiny, you need to use a leave-in conditioner. A leave-in conditioner adds structural integrity to your hair, which allows your hair to be strong and not prone to easy break off. Most people might think that what's the difference between a regular conditioner and a leave-in conditioner? I only need to use one. No, you need both to keep your hair healthy and moisturized. The regular conditioner moisturizes your hair so it's nice and shiny and soft, and you can feel the difference immediately when you add your regular conditioner in the shower. It is soft and very easy to manage. Your comb glides in easily. There are no tangles. But once you rinse off that conditioner in the shower and you leave the hair, you start to notice the hair is no longer as soft as it was in the shower. That is because basically you have lost the effect of your conditioner, as it has already gone down the drain. So to add that moisture back into your hair, you need a leave-in conditioner. This conditioner hydrates your hair, making the hair feeling like it once did in the shower. That brings me to my last point, which is hair oils. Yes, hair oils are very, very important. So after you moisturize your hair, you need to seal in that moisture with oil, because the purpose of oil and what it does is that it forms a barrier around the outside of your hair strands to keep everything nice and hydrated. You are going to use this oil every day on your hair, putting a new barrier around your hair so that it doesn't dry out. You can use a leave-in conditioner a little bit, or you can just use a plain water to spray on your hair before you seal it in with your oil. Applying this oil to dry hair would make it more drier. That is the reason why you need to add in a little bit of moisture before you apply your oil to seal in that moisture. And you need to concentrate more on your tips at that time, because that's the weakest part of your hair. So you need to add in another layer of barrier every other day to prevent breaking. If you have a particular video you want me to bring to you, please leave that in the comment section and I will get to it. For now, it's your girl signing off until I see you in another video. Thanks for always being there, for your support and everything. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to leave your comments and hit the like button. See you in another video. Bye.